It's a jungle in here. Do you think you know where I am? Let me give you some clues. I can see lots of colors in here. There is also this great big storage drawer and long storage shelves. Brrr, it does feel cold in here. Do you think you know where I am now? Right, the refrigerator. I wanted to observe and describe more and plan to do some taste testing later. Check back to see how you can do a taste test in your home. Also see how Wes tries out a taste test in his home.